Hello all. I'm going to do this quick tutorial. I'm actually going to do two videos. There's a question that's been going on in my box that I got recently about Quavers. There's a subject called Quavers. Basically how to adjust how many eighth notes are in a triplet or how many eighth notes are in the space of a certain other value note. That's what quavers are. So let me see. Somebody has 6/8 times, so I'm gonna change the time signature here. So I'm gonna go time signature, eighth note, 6/8. So now we have a 6/8, and note that this is in finale. I'll be doing another one on MuseScore soon. But this is how we do the quavers. Let's see, you have, gotta go to make sure my device is not plugged in, so I'm not going to use that. Let's say you have this. See, now they're all unbeamed. To beam them, you'll click the dash key, basically the question mark, the lowercase version of the question mark key on the keyboard, and it will make things beamed for you. So you just do that. But make sure you have it on the right note before you click, otherwise it's not going to do exactly what you want. But let's see. Let's say you're composing a little bit more. One, two, oops. And then we're going to go like this. Alright, so we have our little melody there. So we're going to beam again, so we're going to beam it up by clicking the slash tool on the keyboard, the slash key on the keyboard. It's the same key as the question mark. And then let's do it again. Okay, so that's how we do that. Now let's say you wanted triplet. You're going to want, and you want to adjust how many notes are within a certain amount of time, a certain amount of rhythmic value. You're going to want to first go to the triplet or tuplet tool in this box, in this main tool palette. Tuplet tool is what it's called. And let's say we got to make some other notes here first. So let's make some more music on this. Alright, so let's say we have our beams. Oops. And we want the tuplet tool to work on this. We actually want it to go a little bit faster. What you're going to do is you're going to click the tuplet tool and you're going to put 3/8 in the space of 2 is what it's set at right now. Okay? But then, let's say you wanted to put 2 in the space of 2. You just go up to 2/8 in the space of 2/8. You can actually mess around with this a little bit. Let's say you wanted 2/8 in the space of 3. It'll give you that triplet right there. It'll give you that rhythm. Let's play it back. It'll give you a 2 under it instead of a 3. It'll give you a tuplet. So that's what the 2 is, essentially. Let's go back to tuplet tool, and we'll go 2 in the space of 2. What does that do? Now that changes the rhythm a little bit more. Yeah, it changes it minor, just a minor change. And then let's go back to tuplet and change it back to 2/8 in the space of 3. So what it's going to do now is it's going to make that second one a tuplet as well. Alright, so that's what that's going to do. If you wanted to undo it all, you could just click Control Z. Here's the regular melody, or Command Z on Mac. So here's the regular one. And that's the regular one that we had, 3 per bar. Alright, so that's how you do that in Finale. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult me in the comments, and I look forward to your questions.